Hello and welcome to the Today's Money Masters. I'm your host, Jean-Paul Menu. The Today's Money Masters competition comprises 3 professional investors and a novice, each provided with $500,000 to invest. The participants will invest in stocks, bonds, and collective investment schemes. They will share their strategies over a 1-year period. At the end of the period, the top portfolio manager will be declared. So let's continue with the masters on this very exciting journey. Now, a word from our sponsors.
Have you ever been interested in an IPO but didn't have the time to go in branch and submit all the documents? We've got a solution for that. With NCB Capital Markets Go IPO portal, you can submit and track your IPO application from any of your favorite devices. No need to go in branch. No need to contact a wealth advisor. No extra fees. And it's accessible to both NCB and non-NCB clients for all our offers. So no excuses. Investing is easier with Go IPO. Visit www.goipo.jncb.com or text Go IPO to 876-383-1729 and start investing today.
Welcome back. On today's program, we are joined again by Chrevaughn Legister, our professional from Proven Wealth Limited. Hi, Chrevaughn.
Hi, John Paul.
How you do? All right. Wisynco Group's first quarter financials came out. They showed a 47.61% increased profit for the first quarter. Wisynco's share price has also advanced by 116.45% year to date, Chrevaughn. You think the expected increase in profit had already been priced in the value of their stock?
All right, so I see that we're back on the Wisynco. I mean, I don't mind the question because it probably represents about 20% of my portfolio. And I've been asked that question before, if I believe the stock is fully priced in all of this increase in profit. And I categorically say, I mean, no. I don't think people realize that Wisynco is not a mature company as yet. Revenues continue to grow by double digits. Profit continue to grow by double digit, right? When you look at the company's financials, profits are earned 99% of the profits are earned organically, right? It means that it's based on their internal doing. Right. Yeah, they made partnerships with the Worthy Park investment that I spoke to you about, and the JP Snacks partnership as well. But that really represents only about 1% of earnings. Okay. Right. Now, I think the company has a far way to go. Why? Yes, one could argue that there are some of their products that are really mature now, so like the Boom Energy drink. You may be familiar with that. So that's really now a mature product.
Everybody's drinking it.
Yeah.
All the young people are drinking it.
Exactly. But I think the resilience of Wisynco's management will really provide an impetus for them to create other products. And I think that's where they are looking forward to now, product innovation. Right? So what does product innovation will allow them to, come to market with new products that's going to drive revenue, and that should trickle down into the bottom line. The company is also looking at cost efficiency. I mean, they benefit really from solar equipment that they have installed on their property.
So they're taking advantage of
that. They're taking of course. Right?
Smart.
And then it was just a little over a year ago that they operationalized the new cold storage space. I can't remember how large it is right now, but it's pretty large. And also their beverage manufacturing facility, right? So I would find it hard to believe that within a year, that new cold storage space has been fully maximized, right? Which means that for the company to make that investment, it means that they have other things up their sleeve, and those things, I believe, will drive profits. And I still believe that as I said before, John Paul, I'm not looking at where earnings are now. What we look at is forward earnings.
Right.
Year to date growth in the price is good, but where can it go further from here? And I believe that what the company has in store will drive profitability. And there's still more the stock still has more legs on it.
Okay.
Have you ever been interested in an IPO but didn't have the time to go in branch and submit all the documents? We've got a solution for that. With NCB Capital Markets Go IPO portal, you can submit and track your IPO application from any of your favorite devices. No need to go in branch. No need to contact a wealth advisor. No extra fees. And it's accessible to both NCB and non-NCB clients for all our offers. So no excuses. Investing is easier with Go IPO. Visit www.goipo.jncb.com or text Go IPO to 876-383-1729 and start investing today.
The Money Masters Funds. It's all about real growth, safety and security of your assets. The Growth Fund gives higher returns for the investor more focused on growth. Money Masters Funds, providing growth and security, performance and financial peace of mind.
We are CUFMC, Credit Union Fund Management Company. Trust matters, and you can believe in our reliability.
Service.
We give impeccable attention to your needs.
Experience.
Careful and prudent are part of our DNA.
Know-how.
After 70 years working exclusively for credit unions, now we're open to all investors. CUFMC, Credit Union Fund Management Company.
How we choose to invest our time today often has a propelling effect for what we gain tomorrow. It's like investing in shares.
Mommy, is this a share?
Yes, you know, she's right. It's similar to how shares work. Companies are publicly listed on the Jamaica stock market. These companies are divided into pieces, and these pieces are what are called shares. The owners of these shares are called shareholders.
Was Chrevaughn Legister giving us his financial thoughts. Always